Hello guys, welcome back to Good Show Tips. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix Windows Defender error 577. Windows could not start Windows Defender service on local computer and how to fix this up. So let's get started. So first thing what you have to do is just have to press Windows and R key all together in order to get the run command, and you have to type regedit. You have to type regedit and you have to press enter. Now you just have to, it will take you to registry editor. You just have to keep yes, and this is how it looks like. Now from here you just have to click on H key local machine, and from here you just have to click on software, and from here you just have to navigate to policies. You just have to navigate to policies. You just have to click over here. Now from here you just have to click on Microsoft, and from here you just have to click on Windows Defender. Now let me click on Windows Defender, and from here you just have to click on Windows Defender, and from here what you have to do is just have to right click and you just have to click on modify option, and you have to change the value to 0. Okay, you just have to change the value to 0, and this is what you have to do. So you just have to give the value data as you have to, you have to give 1, not 0, you have to give 1. And once you have given that, now what you have to do is just have to follow the next instruction. The next instruction is all about, you just have to search over here and you have to search for Windows Defender. Just have to search for Windows Defender Firewall. Now open this. Now from here you just have to click on turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off. Now make sure that turn on Windows Defender Firewall is turned over here and also over here, and this is what you have to do. And just have to press OK and try to do a restart, and most probably the issue will be completely fixed. And I hope this video is helpful for you guys, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notifications. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.